hits just keep on coming. I keep waiting for the day we're going to have to scrape our windshields in the morning.
Ooh,
now they're just wet. There's lots of moisture in the air in the morning.
It's true. And do you have things that like you're kind of excited to use as the weather gets cooler and you're holding off? Like
I'm not an ice scraper.
no, that's not. Yeah, that's
Nope.
not. That's not one. I was just thinking, like, we have a little gas fireplace insert, and I love using that. But
Oh, sure, yeah.
It's been completely unjustifiable so far. I can live with these problems, though.
Yes.
Yeah, because there will be plenty
There's
of days
plenty
you
of
can use
season.
it.
Yeah, by the end, I'm trying not to use it, but early on. And in these days, I mean, it's like you kind of get used to it, but statistically speaking, these are big anomalies. Plus 14 in Portland. Plus 18 or 19 in Bangor. So these are really, really warm temperatures, obviously, but way above average for this time of the year. Losing the satellite a bit. I did add infrared satellite now because of the time of the year. We have to be able to see it after the sun sets. And there's a few clouds towards Bangor and points to the north. Not a lot, though. This model continues to be super juiced up on cloud cover for some reason. It started last week. It just keeps doing it. I might have to tweak it and just drop some of the cloud levels until it calms itself down, because it has mostly cloudy conditions. That's just not what's happening. And I think keep that in mind tomorrow when it brings a lot of clouds in the afternoon. I think we'll see some clouds. I don't believe it'll be mostly cloudy, though. Temperatures move into upper 70s and low 80s by tomorrow afternoon, mid 70s along the coastline. We did pop a few 80s, Dover, Foxcroft, and there was one other. I can't remember what town it was, but I think we'll see a few more of those tomorrow afternoon, which again is very mild for this time of the year. Not a record, but close. Tomorrow night's mild, upper 50s to around 60, and then Thursday we come down a bit into the low 70s still, and a little bit more cloud cover Thursday afternoon. Our next chance of rain, there's a sprinkle chance on Friday, but real rain comes in on Saturday, unfortunately, with a warm front moving through. We'll see some showers during the day on Saturday into Saturday night. We should, though, be able to get this front out of here Sunday morning and have the rest of the day on Sunday. But it's probably going to be pretty breezy, if not windy, and it will start to get cooler on Sunday behind the front. Speaking of which, we have not had cool weather yet. Average first 32-degree reading is the 25th in Caribou, ranging to the 14th of October in Augusta. And these have not happened, right? We haven't hit it, even though these days have passed. And Augusta has no chance. There's no way we're going to get to freezing by the 14th. In fact, this is the Portland Jetport modeled all the way out to October 27th. The bottom line is 39, and we don't hit it all the way through the end of October. That would be really something if we don't even get close to freezing through October. I think that's likely. We're looking at November for our first freeze. So that be it as is, we are going to cool down a little bit for high temperatures by early next week, upper 50s, low 60s, which is just about average. But we don't have anything that says to me that we will get to freezing again, and that will take us. It should take us about to Halloween on the mid-range models. So.
And that's a good temperature trend for the trick-or-treaters. You know, maybe you
It
don't
is.
have to wear the winter coat over your nice costume you worked so hard on.
I was just telling Amanda I chose my costume in case it was cold, because my wife wanted me to be Richard Simmons, and he wears the really tiny shorts, and I was like, yeah, but if I go outside in Maine and it's cold, I don't want to do that.
Which,
so.
of course, he owned the tiny
I already
shorts
had them,
already.
so that was going to save me money.
Saving some money.
Yeah.
That's important. Thank you, Keith.